जीन्स में, ऑफ कोर्स. मैंने अनुष्का के साथ 2-2.5 साल पहले काम किया है. मुझे एक चीज़ इनके बारे में जो बहुत कम लोग जानते हैं, परसों मैं किसी के साथ बैठा हुआ भी था, बहुत बड़े डायरेक्टर के साथ, तो मैं इनके सामने उनकी तारीफ़ कर रहा था. यही एक ऐसी एक्टर हैं जो मुझे लगता है कि जब सीन इनको दिया जाता है लाइंस वाइज, ये उसका एक अलग मतलब निकाल सकती हैं. You know, she's not bound by, she's got different ways of doing the same scene, and I find that extremely heartening. मुझे एक बार याद है, हम एक सीन कर रहे थे और ये रो नहीं रही थी ठीक तरह से, तो मैं बार बार इंसिस्ट कर रहा था. आदि ने भी कह दिया ठीक है, and I wanted to insist that, you know, because she has got always, as an actor first I'll say, a different way of dealing with the scene. And when I said it right in the beginning of the first time I came and talked about this film, that I had learned a lot from both these actors. I was not just saying it. I was not being patronizing because I worked in more films. I genuinely meant it. That's one part. Second part is, you know, she's got an effervescence, very natural effervescence. She's always, mashallah, happy, at least when she's with us. And, you know, she's having a good time, and it's very contagious. When she walks into a room, or she comes on a set, or we're just sitting and having lunch together, it feels happy to be sitting next to Anushka. And mashallah, I hope she keeps on being like this always. Physically, I think I like her eyes a lot. They're extremely beautiful. And I like her smile a lot. And Katrina, मैं तेरे पास भी आ रहा हूँ. No. आ रहा हूँ मैं.
I have till tomorrow.
Okay. And okay, ये हो गया, अनुष्का हो गया. मैं तुम्हें बता दूं यार, 2 लड़कियों को साथ साथ रखना बड़ा डिफिकल्ट. It's really difficult handling 2 girls at the same time. Okay, let me and Katrina, like I've said, first of all, I think this whole nonsense everyone says Katrina's hardworking is completely, what do you say, balderdash, no, whatever, nonsense. I think ये कोई compliment नहीं है. All of us work hard, and she does too. But I think the first quality that I've worked with Katrina on and off on stage, but never in a full-length film. So we spend a lot of time together. The first quality that comes through is Katrina's very, very gentle. Very, very gentle. You know, she's an extremely big star, an extremely beautiful lady. And, you know, she's achieved so much in life. And it may sound strange because I'm also been working for a long time, but you are always a little wary of such big stardom and such achievements. But she's so gentle, and that is the nicest quality. She's not aware of all the good things that she can do, and you know, the wonderful things that she's achieved. All right, one is that. Second, I think she's got a very pretty nose, because eyes I've used there. Okay, so I'm trying to.
I don't know why you're letting him finish. He's just dividing the body parts and dividing the different adjectives. So, but you're on 1, by the way, because I'm counting.
Yeah, okay,
you're on gentle.
No,
For Anushka, you've used about 25 adjectives. So 1.
इनके बाल बहुत खूबसूरत हैं, और they're really nice. I think
your hands are always very nice.
Yeah, hands are very beautiful. Anushka, tell me some more. Tell me some more.
Soft skin.
Soft skin. Yeah, Anushka ने बताया, मुझे नहीं पता.
And they call you the king of romance, Shah Rukh. Please.
He said, "Now, like the heroines, like bring it out."
तेरी आँखों की नमकीन मस्तियाँ, तेरी हंसी की बेपरवाह गुस्ताखियाँ, तेरी सॉफ्ट स्किन, तेरी खूबसूरत आँखें, नहीं भूलूंगा मैं जब तक है जान. इस बारी इसलिए 2 बार बोलता हूँ, जब तक है जान, जब तक है जान.
Shahrukh.
Next time, don't ask me these questions, please.
But just so you know, you're still on 1, gentle.
Shahrukh.
Oh no, but having said that, I think an extreme amount of pleasure to work with her. Seriously, or many times she will deny this. मैंने पिछली बार ही बोला था, उसने deny कर दिया था publicly. But when we are doing a scene, I really find the way she approaches a scene so different from what I think it should be.
You just said that about Anushka, bas. You're done.
Same
I'm feeling very offended here.
Is it the same thing?
Same thing हो गया है.
Same thing. When you
See,
give lines to
you know
Anushka,
what?
she interprets it differently. When you give a scene to me, I interpret it differently.
But you know, when you both are alone,
Meaning
this
is
seems
the
to
same.
work.
You are exposed today. I have finally understood you. चलो.
तू गोरी है तो अच्छी लगती है, थोड़ी सी सांवली है तो अच्छी, ये भी गोरी है साला यार तुम. We'll move on to the next question, please. This is not.
Shahrukh, as ironic as it
शाहरुख मैं
sounds.
रेखा खान.
Sorry.
शाहरुख मैं रेखा खान. माइक में आवाज नहीं आ रही है.
आप दिख नहीं रही हैं रेखा.
या शाहरुख.
जी जी.
जी मैं रेखा खान. जी शाहरुख.
आपको नमस्ते बोलूं कि सलाम बोलूं?
सलाम बोलिए शाहरुख. सलाम वालेकुम.
वालेकुम सलाम.
शाहरुख सभी बहुत ये चर्चा चल रही है और सभी इस बात को मानते हैं कि आप रोमांस के बादशाह हैं, आप डॉन हैं, आप किंग हैं. आपने देवदास की मतलब देवदास जैसी मूवी की जिसकी प्रीक्वल्स भी बने. इसलिए ये सवाल आपसे बनता है, आपने इतने सारे खिताब आपको मिले हैं, लेकिन ऐसा क्यों है कि हमारी बॉलीवुड में, हमारी इंडस्ट्री में जेम्स बॉन्ड ऐसा कोई सीरीज या इस तरह का किरदार नहीं हुआ है?
मैं प्रैक्टिस कर रहा हूँ, मैं लगा हुआ हूँ, छोड़ नहीं रहा हूँ. As a matter of fact, I'll request both the girls. Just see, I'm auditioning. Please, may I? Just come in. Anushka, please. Just stand with your back to me. Like that. Without the final mix of the last few reels, SG has seen, and he logged the edit of the film. He's the director of the film. The film was logged by SG. As a matter of fact, I don't know if he gave you a call or have you met him here at the studio. He talked about it also, कि बहुत अच्छी लग रही है. He had finished the editing, I think, by the 10th or a little earlier than that. The background mix was happening, so he had even done all the music. Actually, the film was complete. It was completely locked. Songs you can do differently. And let me honestly also say, just a minute and a half portion of the song that we all desire to have in the film because it's so wonderfully Mr. Yash Chopra. It was more of a party actually, like Katrina said, that हम जाएंगे और 3-4 दिन सिर्फ celebrate करेंगे film खत्म होना. उसमें dubbing की ज़रूरत नहीं थी. I think everything is done of the film, and the film that you will watch on 13th November, inshallah, is the film that Yash ji made with his own hands and everything he had locked. So it's yeah, it's a little sad that he's not there to share it at a trial, but otherwise he had seen the full film. And that song, I think none of us have the capability or the heart actually, or the emotion. Like I said, if you go to Switzerland, you have to go only with Mr. Yash Chopra. So there's none of us really feel like. I think we will make it impure if we were to go and shoot a song. So that song is the portions in the film which are already shot. We have enough of it. That's how the song was supposed to not be exactly, but I think similarly. So that also has been done now. and it's complete and ready for release. Actually, we'll see it in a few days. I think the crew will be seeing the film in a few days.
शाहरुख, यहाँ दाग यश जी की पहली फिल्म थी एज ए प्रोड्यूसर, और कहा जाता है कि इस फिल्म की कहानी कहीं न कहीं दाग से ली हुई है. इस बार में जरा क्लैरिफाई करना चाहेंगे आप?
नहीं, बिल्कुल भी वैसी नहीं है. ये शुरू में ये बात थी, और ये तो कुछ भी नहीं. मैं तो और भी कहानियाँ सुन रहा हूँ, अलग अलग किस्म की, कुछ पुनर्जन्म की और ये और XYZ. सो एक्चुअली कहानी बहुत सिंपल है, बहुत खूबसूरत है और बहुत हार्ट फेल्ट है, लेकिन दाग जैसी बिल्कुल नहीं है. नॉट एट ऑल.
They're out to get you.
Ask the girls this ना. मेरे तो दोनों क्वींस हैं यहाँ पे. ये क्वीनी दोनों यहीं पे हैं. Both of them are here. दोनों में ही रानियाँ हैं. ताश के पत्ते में 4 होती हैं. मेरे पास 2 इस वक्त हैं. And these are my queens. These are the queens of romance. Both of them. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Katrina. Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Anushka. And Sunday just a day off. So that, but yeah, they're both queens. ऐसे क्या सवाल पूछ रहे हैं मुझसे यार? मैं यहाँ बैठे कहूँगा माधुरी दीक्षित, श्रीदेवी, ऐसा कोई नाम लूँगा मैं यार? बेवकूफ. But you should ask the girls this actually, so it'll be more difficult for them to answer. Katrina, please, who do you think is the queen of romance? Anushka, who's the queen of? It's a difficult question.
Yeah, your question, we'll just keep coming back.
We'll keep coming back to you.
शाहरुख, 2 नवंबर को आपका बर्थडे है, तो क्या स्पेशल प्लानिंग है?
2 नंबर ही होगा तू. तेरा क्या नंबर है? 10 नंबर ही है. 2 नंबर ही. No, I don't know. All of you come home in the afternoon and have a little bit of sandwiches and drinks with me as we always do. That's all. I don't have any plans for celebration.
शाहरुख,